Ho ho ho, and it's a very festive WRCC walk around today. It's the last week running up to Christmas 2024. Me, Dan, doing a walk around of a new arrival, and we've got loads of new arrivals, so I'm going to try and get them all done this week, so you can peruse during this week and the Christmas break, and hopefully give us a bell and buy some cars. Anyway, so this one, back to business. It is a 1969 original convertible MAT VIN. It's the second time we've had it at West Riding. As you can see, it's a very, 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 very nice, clean thing. So 1969. We have just had the hood put on, so it's a brand spanking new mohair one. 4 previous keepers on the logbook on this one. I've already mentioned it's an MAT VIN one. Clipper blue, obviously it's a bit of a custom car for want of a better description, because Clipper blue is not a 1969 colour, but it looks absolutely fantastic. And when we originally refurbished this, and it's just had a bit more of a refurbishment now, because it's the second time we've had it, but the first time round we had a new interior, a new duotone interior bed for it, pure and simply because I really, really, really like duotone interiors. It's my favourite out of all of them in the minors. So we had a late pattern duotone interior bed. Yeah, so that's the reasoning behind that one. The paint's really nice, as you can see. Nice shine to it. It's not absolutely perfect. I'd never describe anything as perfect anyway. But I mean, as you can see, the chrome work, the paint work is all very nice. Grab loads of attention when you're out and about, and it's something a little bit different. So there you go. Right, so that's the paint work and the bodywork. It's had new wings on her. If you can have a look, feels nice and clean there. So new wings front and rear. We've scraped the underside off, and we've done any repairs that it needed doing. It's been recoated now, so the underside's absolutely bang on. 4 new wings on it. Lovely nice shiny paint in Clipper blue, which is an earlier colour, but never mind. As I said to you before, it's got a new duotone interior, which is absolutely superb. It looks ace. Brand spanking new hood, which we've just had fitted. Showing 72,900 miles, so you know, 73,000 for want of a better description. You've got your water temperature and all pressure gauges. Nice and clean. New good block stylers, brand spanking new carpets. The interior is absolutely spot on. Again, I won't describe it as perfect, because I don't describe anything as perfect, as anyone that watches knows. New parcel shelf. Yeah. So runs and drives perfectly. She is really good in the braking department, as I've just discovered. Just running her about. Nice and clean everywhere. Edited that bit out. So yeah, so nice and clean everywhere. Really nice and clean in the engine bay. So tie plates, flitches, bulkhead, all nice and clean, nice and painted. Your air pipe, cold air pipes in good order. It's had a servo fitted. It has had seatbelts front and rear fitted when it was here last time as well. Still on the dynamo, but charges well. Runs and drives really well. The servo works absolutely fantastically on the brakes. Yeah, quick run round to the boot. So there you go. So the boot in good order, aperture in good order, inner wings and everything, the boot floor all really nice and clean, as you can see. So a very, very, very nice clean car. As I say, it's just been freshly refurbed with 4 previous keepers. Original MAT VIN Tourer, 1969, available at WRCC Yorkshire Minor Centre, 01422881221 if you'd like further details. It's on a 14250, but if it's been Christmas, why don't you ring up and throw an offer at us? And you never know, Santa might just be kind to you and do you a Christmas special deal. So email inquiries at westridingclassics.co.uk, telephone 0422 881221, speak to Dan in sales, that's me, or full details will be on this afternoon at www.westridingclassics.co.uk. It really is a nice car. It's something a little bit different. Something like this won't come along every day because it's one of a kind, and it's a bit special really. Also, if you're after a traveller, we've got that super one that we're just finishing off there, which is a freshly refurbished WRCC special. Give us a call about that one and I'll give you the full details on that as well. Cheers guys.